Alright, so I finally got the car back from Dedicated Motorsports. It now has a Kong Export LSA blower on it. It's got aux pump, injectors. It's got the DMS cold air intake, a Nick Williams throttle body. They did like an in-house heat exchanger setup. And so the car made just a little bit over 800 horsepower and 700 torque. And this is through a stock LS3. The only thing that we changed on it was some valve springs, and it is also a stock 6L80 as well. The only thing that it has is a converter on it. But yeah, stock cam, stock heads car, stock transmission. I have not taken it to the track yet. Still on stock suspension. It's got IBAC low ring springs on it. It's on a DR3 275/60. It's a 15-inch rear. The front's just a 27 tall, 17 Mickey Thompson. It's a very simple setup, but I think Matt killed it on this car, dude. I cannot wait to take it to the track and try a busted 9 out of it. I really hope nothing breaks on it, man. 10-year-old car, shit on it is pretty old. LS3 is getting ancient. I think Matt did a really good job tuning this thing. Transmission shifts perfect. It idles very good. It drives very good. And I know I was kind of giving him some issues, you know, with it being a stock cam car. But he made the drivability on this thing super badass. I'm going to try and get a POV of me driving it right now in just a little bit. So this is the interior. It does have a Kirky seat in it, but it's got all the weight. It's got the trunk in it. DR3, Aerospace rears. Same thing on the front. I mean, it sounds exactly the same when I left it at Dedicated, dude. No chop, stock cam car. I wish it wasn't so dark, but best I got. Alright, this is the best POV I could give. I do not have any meta bands or none of that. So here we go. When this car is racing, so far it's just been doing third gear hits. It has not done anything in second in like a race, because there's no point of trying to blow up your trans on a fun run on the way home to the crib, you know? So give it a little lick. Warm them up a little bit. Now this is like a little second gear burnout. like 70 right now. I mean, it sounds really quiet when I'm driving normal. I've done about, I'd say 4 to 5 draggy hits pretty close together, and they've all been pretty consistent. I wouldn't say I experienced any heat soak, I guess. And to be fair, it's not even like summer yet, so I don't know if that'll probably be an issue coming soon. But right now, back to back, it's pretty consistent, thankfully. This is the quietest 800 horsepower you ever gonna experience. I need to clean my windshield, dude. Putting E in the car. It's probably not gonna look that fast on video, to be honest, just because it's not that fast. But we did take it out to 2K, and I got a few runs. I'll probably just post one for reference, and that should be it. Hopefully the next video is some more runs or it at the track trying to hit that 9. Hopefully it doesn't break.